Hi, this is Michael Buckoff from BetterTOEFLScores.com. I have a TOEFL speaking and writing feedback service at my website, and students are sending me speaking and writing practice tests. And one thing I've noticed is word choice becomes really important for the TOEFL, and I give feedback appropriately. In this video, I want to talk about 5 important words that you need to use during the TOEFL Integrated Writing Task. Are you using these words to help show the connection between the reading and the listening passages? Number 1, contrast. The TOEFL Integrated Writing Task often presents a reading passage and a lecture that disagree with each other. Using the word contrast helps you to clearly show this relationship. It's an academic word that signals comparison and shows strong writing control. For example, the professor contrasts the reading's claim that social media improves communication by arguing it leads to isolation. Number 2, refutes. Refutes is a precise academic word that means to disprove or argue against something. It's ideal for showing how the lecture challenges the reading. For example, the lecture refutes the idea that solar energy is cost-effective, pointing out the high maintenance costs. Number 3, supports. Sometimes the lecture agrees with parts of the reading. Using supports helps you to clearly state this agreement in an academic tone. For example, the speaker supports the reading's position by giving additional evidence about the benefits of online education. Number 4, according to. This phrase is essential for source attribution, which is required in TOEFL writing. It makes it clear whether information is coming from the reading or the lecture. Example, according to the passage, the invention improved factory efficiency. And lastly, number 5, challenges. Challenges is another strong academic word that shows the lecture disagrees or questions the points made in the reading. So you're showing that relationship. It gives you variety and avoids repetition of simpler verbs like disagrees. Example, the professor challenges a claim that whales migrated for food by suggesting they did so for breeding. So in conclusion, remember that the purpose of the TOEFL Integrated Writing Task is not just to separately summarize the most important points from the reading or the most important points from the lecture. Rather, you're integrating those ideas. You're showing how the most important points in the lecture relate to the most important points in the lecture. And these 5 words help you to do that. And remember, I have a really good TOEFL speaking and writing feedback service. I can help you improve your language use, your topic development, and everything that you need to do well on the speaking and the writing sections of the TOEFL exam. For more information, go to BetterTOEFLScores.com.